everyone, welcome back to our channel and another video. So in this video we'll be installing a Proslat track wall on this wall in the garage. So this is the box which it came in. We ordered from Home Depot. So basically a track wall is that it has slats which are interconnected, and then there are a lot of different hooks and baskets and shelves which we can attach and store a lot of different items. Looks really neat and organized. This is 8 feet by 4 feet, but unfortunately we don't have 8 feet over here, so it's around 6.5 feet. Couple of things you have to keep it in mind, that you have to start from a stud and end on a stud. So studs are 16 inches apart on this drywall in the garage. So let's begin the project. In the box we get, these are the tracks. This is how the track looks, and a box of screws, and then we have these trims. So these are 2 J trims which will go on the side, and then we'll have 2 big trims. Oh no, this is the top trim because it has a small lip here, and then we'll have one more J trim. It is hidden somewhere for now, but that is what we need. So here is the J trim, the 8 feet, but we'll be cutting it into the length which is available to us. Also come is this manual. This is the user guide. This is the J trim, and the wider side will be put against the wall, and we'll have to drill holes on this. So with the screws provided, we just need to install all the studs which are available except the first and the last, because these small J trims will be attached something like this. So then we'll finish off the screwing once this is in place, and so we'll be first installing the bottom piece, the side pieces, and then we'll put the track walls in place. Since we do not have the desired length, we'll have to cut these and make it shorter so that it ends on a stud. So it's very important that these tracks and all the trims start and end on a stud, otherwise they won't be able to take the weight. We have measured the length, and this is the J trim which will go in the bottom of the track wall. And this is the marking which we have done, and using the miter saw we'll just make a cut. Our track wall will sit on 6 studs, so we'll be leaving the first and the last stud for now and screwing with these provided screws and an impact driver. We'll be screwing the bottom J trim onto the middle 4th stud. Now time to install the vertical J trims. These are the short J trims. We don't need to cut them because we have enough width, so 4 feet of width, and these 2 J trims will be attached on the side. Starting on with the left side, we have to overlap the short J trim, and again the wider side will be against the wall. We just need to overlap here. Make sure that the bottom J trim is leveled, and then screw in provided screw through the short J trim and the long one into the stud, and then once it's leveled we'll be screwing in another screw just to hold it in place vertically. Very first track, what we did was measured from inside edge. So basically from this corner until this one we measured, and then we cut using our miter saw, and we had to bend it and then push it inside, so it's all flush now. Just wanted to double check with the leveler that it is all leveled, and now all the studs we just need to screw, even the last ones, and we just have to repeat the same process 8 times. This is our second track. It's really simple. Just need to slide it in into one J track and just pull it out so that it goes in. and it's in now. But we need to make sure that it's properly fixed onto the track. So basically what I did was, suppose this is a piece of the track wall, this is just a wastage, and I have to install the next piece. It will go upside down. This hook which we see over here, it will go inside this part of the track, the previous track. So it will look something like this. Okay, now you see, and I can show you one more thing. And these are the hooks. I will show it to you later, all the hooks which we got. For example, this is one of the hooks we got. You just push it inside and comes down. So this is a tab to wherever you would like on the whole wall. Just pull that up and turn the knob, and it's all tight now. So right now I haven't screwed it, but this is how the different types of hooks are attached to this track wall. Just to remove it, simply unscrew it, make it loose, pull it, and it comes out. This was a wastage. Once the track wall is in place and it is leveled, it's very important to make sure that all the tracks are leveled. So the bubble is right in the middle. It's leveled all throughout. Now these are where all the studs are. We just need to screw it in each stud using the provided screws. This is the L trim. This one doesn't have any screws, and it has these grooves which will come in contact with the last track which we installed. You just slide on easily. Just push it in all the way across. The track board is installed, and these were some of the accessories which we bought from Home Depot. These are from Proslat. So either you can buy them as a bundle or individually. Like these hooks are here, the baskets, the shelves. So as of now we have put in some of the sports stuff on these. It still needs to be arranged, but there's a lot of space and a lot of potential. You can do anything and hang or put in these baskets. Similarly, we have also installed another track wall on this side. So this is basically for our tools. This is a magnet accessory which comes, so all our screwdrivers and pliers are on this strip. And lastly, there is one more track wall on this side. This is almost done. It has all the toiletries and the cleaning supplies over here. So quite full, but really useful. So I hope that this video was useful to you. If you did find it helpful, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it, and do follow us on Instagram. A link is in the description. Until next time, take care. Bye.